Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a more full-bodied and flavorful cup of coffee, then you need to try using this pour-over coffee filter from TEEMADE. This has a double layer of fine mesh, and it doesn't let any of the debris through from the coffee grounds, but it does allow the coffee's oils and flavor to really get into the coffee that you drink. Even though this is stainless steel, it doesn't give a metallic taste at all to the coffee. And I really love the design on it. I think it's really well done to make something that looks beautiful and is very functional. I appreciated that it has rubber around the lip so that you can grab it right away after you're done pouring hot water into this and letting it brew. And I found that it's not too hot to handle by hand. After applying the coffee grounds into the filter, I just simply poured boiling hot water over the grounds and let it bloom for 35 to 40 seconds. And then I slowly poured the boiling water from a kettle into the grounds and let it really soak in until all my water was gone. It brews an excellent cup, and I love that we don't have to use paper filters with it. And that's our point of view.